I looked at all sorts of people who restore Land Rovers, particularly in the US, and looking at the attention to detail of Arkonik and the people that I was in contact with, I could tell there was a passion to do the best job possible, and that's evident by the vehicle that was delivered to me. Just to not be a part of the crowd. I think there's so many choices in SUVs, and I wanted something that had the old school look, but was reliable enough for me and the family to go out on weekend adventures and have fun. And I like the rugged interpretation of the D90, the attention it seeks, and the commentary from people passing by. It puts a smile on everyone's face, and I really love that. I'm really looking forward to the LS3 engine and the short wheelbase Defender. I'm also looking forward to seeing the contrast between the Fire and Ice and the Pennine Grey color. I think that seeing the Arkonik product in the flesh is a whole different experience to seeing it on film or video, and the attention to detail blows my mind. I have two young boys that go everywhere, all over the weekends in their sporting activities with their gear and equipment. We pile it all in, and I live in Massachusetts where the weather can be difficult at times, and the Arkonik gets us where we need to be in style and comfort and with a smile on our faces. Take your time and communicate as much as you like with the team at Arkonik. They're super responsive, they have a passion that's hard to replicate for anything, and no thought or idea puts them off. They will build the car of your dreams, and they will do it how you ask them to do it.